When I first introduced the YLP topic to my students, that is life below water, and asked them if they would be interested to take up this project, I was surprised to see their excitement. From that day on, our journey of learning and exploring began. Every day, our students would come with their new ideas, researches, and viewpoints. The more we discussed, the more their inquisitiveness blossomed, and the more they wanted to know. So we divided the whole project into 3 parts. The first was to get to know our oceans in depth. Then came identifying the problems, that is, what is threatening the oceans. And then, of course, we went on to explore ways we could make changes and provide solutions. So without further ado, let's have a look at what our young explorers and investigators have to say.
Welcome you all to see our project. Our project is Life Below Water. We chose this topic to create awareness about saving our ocean. Share with you our projects and research and the importance of the ocean
and how to conserve and sustainably use oceans.
Today we're going to discuss about the 5 oceans. The biggest is the Pacific, and then the Atlantic, and then the Indian Ocean, and then the Southern Ocean, and the smallest of all Arctic Ocean. Did you also know that the Pacific Ocean is the most polluted? Do you know that 71% of the Earth is covered by oceans? There are a lot of marine species that are living in oceans.
But why do you think that ocean is important?
Because the ocean gives 50% air and ocean regulates the climate. Ocean gives us medicine. Ocean also gives us transportation.
And did you forget the food?
What's food?
People like to eat food, like fishes.
Oh yeah. And now I was also thinking, what is economy?
Economy means that businesses, they earn so much money from ocean.
And did you forget we made our project about ocean acidification too? And from the factories, smoke comes and mixes with the water and it becomes acid.
And the acidic water kills the fishes. To tell people to not throw trash. Coral reefs provide us medicine and it protects our ecosystem. And many species and animals live in coral reefs. The fish mostly live there, and the foods and many people, like some people eat the seaweed and the tourism. The people are visiting the coral reef so they can explore it.
With our student, we can start recycling things, we can stop ocean acidification, so everything will be good as well. Nothing will happen like this.
But in this one we can see the coral reefs are white color, and when the white color, that means they're dead. And you can see the fishes going towards them, and you can see the pollution coming. So the water is acid. And you can see one fish is in the coral reef and it died. And the rest also died because of the trash, the smoke, and the pollution. And the little.
Teacher, are you looking at traffic? I found this picture about coral leaf. This one is a live coral leaf and this one is a diseased coral leaf. What happened? How it happened? The water got polluted and this got diseased.
The Pacific, there are 5 oceans and the Pacific is the largest. The Pacific is also the most polluted. We found this in our research. This picture is showing that the Pacific Ocean is the most polluted, and this picture is showing that the turtle, frog, and any sea creatures are stuck in the wires and the trash which are coming from the land. We should not use so much plastic.
And what have you written in these, on the sides I see something you have written. What is that?
That's about the ocean.
So can you read some of it? What have you written?
There is lot of plastic in the ocean.
The smoke is mixing with the water of the ocean and the animals are dying.
I made a project about ocean littering. Is this the way we want our ocean to be dirty? No, we want our ocean to be healthy. See any trash, plastic cup, and fishes are dying.
Truck are throwing trash. We don't have to throw trash because it's dangerous for the fishes because they can also die and they can't breathe and they'll be dead.
And the project here is that the animals are sad because of the trash, and the corals are also dead, and this one is also like laid down. Keep the beaches clean.
Trashing our oceans. Or we all the fishes will die. We have no proteins to eat.
This is the project about overfishing, and the 2 boats are catching fishes too. And ships go like the smoke goes. It goes inside water and then it becomes acid.
A project about overfishing. Overfishing means catching too many fish at once. When we catch too many fish at once, it disturbs the ecosystem. When we throw trash into the water, then the fishes eat, then we catch the fish, then we eat the fish.
Sometimes when people throw the plastic in the ocean, some fishes or any other fishes, they eat it and then they will die because the plastic is inside. And when humans also eat the fishes, then they will die. When the fishes eat some trash like garbage, like plastic bags or bottles or like this, so when we catch them and when we eat them, we also get the disease.
Okay.
So we don't have to throw the trash for us. This is the ocean. The ocean is very much polluted, and these are the straws, these are the cups. People actually come to beach and they eat food and then they directly just throw in the ocean. They don't care about the animals. They just throw it and they say they will get affected. We will not get affected. So that's why they throw it. But we should also care about other animals, other sea creatures, and other people.
There's a new type of plastic which was invented by a woman named Sharon Barak. It is same like plastic. It functions and looks like plastic, but then dissolves in water in minutes. So we can use the same idea to save our oceans because there's too much pollution going on in the ocean. So we can use this kind of plastic which dissolves in the ocean in minutes. So animals won't get endangered anymore.
Use less plastic. Stop overfishing. Keep our beaches clean. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Conserve water. Reduce pollutants.
Reduce waste.
Practice air boating. Shop whiteboard. Reduce vehicle pollution. Use less energy.